stage Mr. Dhruv Singh, the Executive Director at JTL Industries Limited with over 14 years of experience in the tube and pipe industry. He leads strategic initiatives focused on operational excellence, business growth and innovation. He has successfully driven large-scale projects, implemented industry's best practices and championed sustainable development. An active industry leader, he regularly shares insights on emerging trends, technology, infrastructure, and business transformation. Let's welcome Mr. Singla on stage. Warm welcome to you.
Hi, good morning, everybody. It's a pleasure being here. First of all, I'd like to thank Sir for showing the expansive infrastructure and the insights for the vision, how the structure is made, and then the guys at Nokia who just showed us how they secure it. I'm from a side where we don't come to the forefront, but yes, we are at the back of the entire development thereof. So I would like to start with this address by just starting off how we are there and what we do. Good morning everybody, distinguished guests, airport authorities, architects and engineering pioneers. It is an honor to stand before you today at the 9th Annual Airport Modernization Summit. Over the course of the summit, we are going to hear and we have heard incredible insights about the digital transformation of aviation, about AI-driven passenger routing, predictive baggage systems, and biometric check-ins. But as a structural steel manufacturer, I'm here to talk about the physical reality that makes all of the digital visibility possible. Software means hardware. Cloud data means a physical terminal, and millions of passengers moving through our skies need structure that are safe, expansive, built to adapt. When we talk about modernizing an airport, we are fundamentally talking about rewriting the architectural and structural parameters of public spaces. If you look at the modern terminal design, the trend is unmistakable. We are moving away from dark segmented, pillar-heavy corridors and moving towards massive, light-filled, hyper-flexible environments. Achieving those stunning sweeping canopies and vast column-free clear spaces requires engineering power. Hiding in plain sight are the hollow steel structural sections. Whether it is large diameter round sections for terminals, columns, or heavy-duty rectangular square structural tubes forming intricate spaces, frames, steel tubes provide the highest strength to weight ratio and structural. They give architects the geometric freedom to design iconic and expressive structures while giving structural engineers the absolute peace of mind that these high occupancy hubs are resilient against extreme seismic and wind loads. As we navigate 2026, the biggest challenge in airport modernization isn't just what we build, it's how we build. Most modernization projects today are brownfield expansions. We are retrofitting, expanding, and upgrading terminals, while millions of passengers continue to board flights right next to the construction zone. You cannot afford a traditional, slow, disruptive, complete build that paralyzes operations. The pre-engineered building has advantages. Structural steel tubes are the ultimate enablers of modular, pre-engineered construction. By utilizing high precision factory finished structural sections, terminal frameworks can be prefabricated off-site and assembled on-site with mechanical speed. This shifts the construction timeline from months down to weeks, radically reducing on-site labor and minimizing operational downtime, and avoiding the costly bottlenecks that plague airport authorities during expansion phases. Finally, we must address the defining challenge of our generation, sustainability. The aviation sector is under the intense scrutiny of decarbonization. While much of the focus is rightly on sustainable aviation fuel and airline emissions, modernizing an airport means evaluating the embodied carbon for the terminal building itself. Structural steel tubes play a massive role in infrastructure. Higher strength structural steel sections allow engineers to achieve the same load bearing capacity with significantly less material weight. Compared to traditional methods, less weight means reduced transportation energy and lighter formations. It's a circular economy as well. Structural steel is 100% recyclable. The terminal components we manufacture today will never find their way into a landfill. They present a permanent resource. So, at JTL Industries, our focus has always been on precision, structural integrity, and manufacturing security. We understand that behind every ton of steel produced is a critical piece of national infrastructure, a gateway connecting people and economies. As we move forward, I encourage the innovators in this group to think about modernization from the ground up. Let us collaborate to design and build airport ecosystems that are structurally resilient, rapidly deployable, architecturally inspiring, and deeply sustainable. Thank you all. I look forward to building the future aviation alongside all of you. Now, I would like to present JTL Industries' capabilities in a brief PPT. At JTL, we are a global pipe manufacturer producing structural steel tubes from size of 20, 20, 350, 350 to the thickness of 14 mm in various grades. So we have a total of 2,000 plus SKUs. We produce the square and rectangular pipes by a revolution technology called DFT, which is direct forming. We don't need to change a lot of roll sets to do so. We are then galvanizing the same products as well. So we have 6 manufacturing units, 2 are in Punjab, 1 in Chhattisgarh, 1 in Mangaon, Maharashtra. And we are also entering into the defense segments for manufacturing bullet shells, wind points, and various copper-related products. So the products that we manufacture are MS solar sections, galvanized tubes, DFT structural tubes, solar module mounting structures, steel tubular poles, and metal crash cabinets. So DFT forming is the direct forming technique which helps us form larger diameter precision pipes with a very low lead time. MS solar sections are traditionally going around for the last 50 odd decades with a circular aspect to that. The same MS solar sections can be galvanized for rust prevention and longevity. They are also into solar building mounting structures, steel tubular poles, and metal crash cabinets. So, how are we producing all these products? We are sourcing HR coils from the tier 1 manufacturers, converting the HR coils into pipes and tubes, further galvanizing them for value-added them for various aspects as per the project requirements for institutional infrastructure applications. As use cases of structural steel tubes in airport terminals, as we have already witnessed the various aspects of the structural of an airport, we can use the tubes in roof trusses, structural columns, departure arrival canopies, passenger walkways, airport sheds, and various road signages, etc. So, a lot of goals of the structural steel are already mentioned. So, as JTL, we are a scale player having the capacity of 1 million tons today, expanding and doubling the capacity in the next 2 years. Working from low dia thickness to high dia thickness, so a comprehensive product range. We are well positioned all around India to cater to the demands of the increasing demand for infrastructure. So 6 manufacturing facilities, 1 million tons of application that we already discussed. Apart from the Indian sphere, we have already expanded and supplying materials around the world. We supply to 20 plus countries, have C certifications, ISO certifications, which comprehend to the superior quality material that we are making. So, about the steel manufacturing capacity, the steel tube manufacturing capacity, the current capacity in the market is about 46 million tons. With market size going up and increasing to 80 million tons, an expected AGR of 7.4, which is higher than the GDP that we have forecasted earlier. So our infrastructure, urban development, oil and gas, construction, real estate, industrial engineering. So these are various global certifications that we have. We are a 3-star export house. We are ISO, ACRS, C certified, UL certified. In the Indian sphere, we are directly supplying to institutions like Tata Power, Gardens, Avada Clean Energy, Tesla platforms, Bush Polymers, also Sustain, Human Fence, Indiana, Sterling Wilson, Apple. In the government segment, we are supplying to Jammu Kashmir government for the Jal mission and for the national government here. We have all these approvals from all these bodies, including the respectable MES, National Horticulture CPWD, BSNL, CITCO, Maharashtra. Many more to come for us. So we are focused on our practices and focusing on eco-friendly production processes also. So focusing on energy efficiency, recycling materials, carbon emissions, water management, and waste management. So thank you for your time and patiently listening to me. If you have any questions, we will be at our booth.